Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin bouncing. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Before we jump into this technical analysis for Bitcoin, altcoin setups to help you make profits, remember, we've got a $500 Bitcoin giveaway tomorrow. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to take a random comment over a 7-day period and give away $500 in Bitcoin free money. Let's go. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So previously falling wedge broke to the downside, 68% chance. We talked about this. You got a possible double bottom right here. In order for this to be confirmed, the bulls have to push a break above this level, right? If you do get that break, you'd see a move potentially up into this area here, about $59,000, $60,000 Bitcoin. Okay. Remember, 60,000 is important. Key psychological resistance for Bitcoin. So that means there's a ton of sellers taking profits right there. This is just another idea. This possible inverse head and shoulders pattern. I mean, you still need a right shoulder for that to happen. This rising channel would have to break to the downside. Okay, so we're just keeping an eye on this. I mean, common retrace would be down here to 55,000 and then potentially 54,000. I don't really trade on this idea a whole lot myself personally, but there is a CME Bitcoin futures gap above the price action. Then there's one down here as well. So a scenario where, I mean, you got a pretty good ascending triangle. This is a bullish pattern, 64% chance it breaks to the upside. But I mean, you have to assume that the price action continues in this pattern until it doesn't. So just putting this out there. I've got some amazing shout outs in my trading group to share with you guys. This person up $22,000 yesterday. Huge. This person turned $13,000 into $100,000 in 7 months. Life-changing money. This person, yesterday, she reached out to me. She made $50,000. So I talked to you guys about trading these smaller time frames on these coins that are moving, and it's higher risk. I mean, she was trading in and out of WRX, and again, $50,000 in profits. This young man reached out to me and he says, I'm 19. I live in Canada. I'm up 50% on your SXP or swipe setup. Remember, I gave a midterm hold on that at $1. It's almost at $5, which we talked about, right? And so now he officially has $100,000. Listen, 19 years old, $100,000. Life-changing money, killing it. The bottom line is this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. And right now, today, altcoin season is kicking off. Like, this is the easiest money you can make in crypto. All these folks, all these people I talked to you guys about, the reason why I get so excited, they're all brand new traders. They have never traded before. Never traded before. I taught them how to trade. I will make sure you're in the best and most profitable setups for the entirety of the bull market. This altcoin season, we're going to kill it. Last thing you want to do is look back 6 months, 12 months from now and say, man, listen, I should have spent a little bit more time learning. I should have taken advantage of the best and most profitable trading setups. Life-changing money. Go to my website, cryptorev.net. All the information to sign up. Right now, if you sign up, you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, you get 50% off. This is YouTube, a certain Crypto Revolution channel. 23,447 people saw this video. CTSI, buy the breakout. Shout out to 96,600 subscribers. Smash that subscribe button for me. $500 Bitcoin giveaways tomorrow. Boom. This is CTSI. 156% max profits out of this. 100. So it broke out, retested, boom. Remember, the retest, the strongest group of buyers are waiting right here. If you miss the breakout, it doesn't matter. This is even better entry, safer too. Now, you guys, remember this. I talked to, on Twitter, make sure to follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. Says watching WRX buy the breakout of this bull flag. This was on the 12th of March. WRX posted an update in the group after it had broken out of this pennant, which is this is a 5-minute time frame. So I mean, this is actually broke out of the bull flag right here. Right, this is a bull flag down here, zoomed in. So you can go in and you can kind of find these little triangles. Here's a tiny little bull flag right here for entry. See the parabola? Rounded bottoms pay the bills, baby. WRX broke some records here, folks, period. 1,610% profits in 24 days. 16x on this thing in less than a month. Huge. This type of parabolic price action that doesn't even make sense. This is face melting price action. Lather up some SPF 90 on your faces, because these, I'm telling you, these altcoin gains will melt your faces off. You're not even going to believe these. It doesn't even make sense. You guys seen BTT, Tron, Win, WRX? Like, it doesn't even make sense. Like, what's happening here? How could it possibly keep going up? Altcoin season. The money flows. Everybody that made a ton of money in Bitcoin pumps these altcoins. It's cyclical. This happens like this. This is going to be the biggest altcoin season we've seen since 2017. Huge gains. This is IOTA. So they have the Chrysalis migration coming. This is Wednesday, the 21st. Gucci comes out, and they have announced basically that it's only a matter of time before they release an NFT. Gucci NFTs. Bitcoin miners are continuing to hold Bitcoin, which obviously is good for positive price action. Binance Smart Chain will overtake Ethereum in the NFT market share, this trading platform predicts. This is Bakery Swap. Bake. Obviously, they're a little bit one-sided. SXP pumped crazy on this news. So SXP, they're featured in Yahoo Finance as one of the top 10 cryptos to have interesting develops lined up for the month of April. These are the Cardano kids, Cardano NFTs. They look like Garbage Pail Kids. They look like garbage. Remember those? Anyone? CELR got listed on BitThumb. Could be good for positive price action there. The DREP Foundation. So I had someone, the cool thing, all this news, I can go to my trading group and I can find news like this in about 2 minutes. The news that moves the market. So this is confirmation from the official admin who manages the DREP Telegram, that the DREP killer product, which has been talked about for some time, is going to be announced today. The DREP killer product coming. The SEC agrees to redact 2 documents in the Ripple lawsuit. XRP had an uptick in price. Remember, I gave you guys that setup a couple days ago. XRP was up 20%. This is a list of top gainers among DeFi tokens year to date. Bake up 67x. 54x, Zero Swap 29x, Terra up 27x, Pancake Swap up 25x, Ramp 14x, Rally 14x, Alpha 9x, Frontier 9x. Listen, this is possible. We're looking at, shout out to Trip for this in my trading group. He made this, essentially this is DeFi perp versus altcoin perp. So essentially, the idea here is DeFi could outpace the altcoins as a whole. So we might have a DeFi season if you see this bounce here, okay? Because you'd essentially have this like double bottom forming, right? So again, DeFi might be the next big move coming out of these altcoins. So kind of keep an eye on this idea. I've got some solid DeFi setups coming for you guys in just a second. Knowles BTC. You guys remember this? We talked about it yesterday, April the 4th. 17,000 people saw this video. Boom. Knowles. 37% in one day. In one day. This is 1 inch. 1 inch broke out. I mean, you got this giant parabolic curve, and then you have this huge consolidation. There's a ton of upside. 100% profits out of 1 inch possible. Okay, buy the breakout of this level. If it comes back down here and it retests, that would be good entry as well. Boom, move to the upside. This is cake. Buy the falling wedge breakout. Cup and handle. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. Let's go. $27 cake in the cards. Let's see. CRV. So you got this rounded bottom, and then here's a bull pennant, right? You're going to buy the breakout of this bull pennant. I mean, you've got 50 to 70% gains potential out of this CRV setup. And then there's a larger setup. If it breaks above this level, there's a ton of upside here for CRV. So keep an eye on Curve Finance. This is Uniswap. Uniswap has a nice little, this is a smaller bull pennant. But again, you could see some decent upside, 20% or so out of Uni BTC based on this setup. AVAX. AVAX has been doing a whole lot of nothing. But finally, some volume came in, broke out of this trend line, and potentially is now retesting. So you can buy the breakout of this level. You could see $44, $48, $50 AVAX based on this idea. This thing is taking off. Imagine that. So what I was looking for is, buy the breakout is already pumping. Story of my life. Try to get these setups out to you guys quick enough. I post them, and boom, let's go. So most important thing to understand here, you got to let volume be your guide, right? Volume's going to tell you what to do. Volume's going to tell you when the market's kind of acknowledging these patterns and these breakouts. This is a pretty steep, pretty decent sized pump from 80 Satoshis. Now it's, essentially it's about a 50% pump right here. So you don't want to buy into the top. The best entry would be to buy, we'll just delete this, buy the breakout. We want to retest now. Right, so buy a retest down here for TCT. I mean, you got this. Look at what TCT just did. I mean, are you serious? It pumped to 350 sats from 86 sats. I mean, what is that? 4 or 5x right there in a pump. Like these coins, this is a smaller sat coin, right? That's why I gave it to you guys. 100 sat coin. I mean, these things pump crazy. Smaller market caps. That's where your multiples are at, right? That's where life-changing multiples are at. You want to hit your 20, 30, 40x coins in general. The smaller cap coins do it, right? The smaller cap coins, focus on those. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.